What if your summer vacation didn't need a plan? Because you can get everything in one place. Every summer, guests return to the Villa Roma Resort, not just for a vacation, but for the feeling it brings. Here, summer isn't planned. It unfolds. Start your day your way on the golf course, by the pool, or jumping into endless activities. From tennis and outdoor games to go-karts, zipline, and family fun, there's always something happening. And somehow, it works for everyone. Kids stay busy, adults unwind, and families actually spend time together. When it's time to slow down, dining becomes part of the experience. Great food across multiple restaurants, relaxed evenings at the lounge, and live entertainment that brings everyone together. This isn't just one of the best summer vacation resorts in the Catskills. It's where your summer vacation story begins. Book your stay at the Villa Roma and start a tradition you'll never want to break.